we turn product confusion into confident picks. If we earn your trust today, return the favor with a subscribe so we can tackle the next lineup.
Okay, so we're looking at two renewed super-automatic espresso machines, huh? The Philips 3200 with LatteGo and the Jura E8. Big price difference right off the bat. Almost $1,400.
Yeah, seriously. The Philips is around $600, while the Jura E8 is pushing $2,000. What are we really getting for that extra cash?
Well, the Jura boasts 17 programmed specialties compared to the Philips 5, so a lot more variety there. Plus, it's got a fancy 2.8-inch color display with AI to make it easier to use.
Interesting. The Philips just mentions 5 coffees at your fingertips. Does the Jura have a better grinder or something?
Absolutely. The Jura highlights its professional aroma grinder, claiming 12.2% more aroma and consistent grind quality. The Philips just says its ceramic grinders have 12-step adjustment, but no claims about aroma extraction.
Okay, so potentially better coffee flavor with the Jura. What about milk frothing? The Philips has that LatteGo system.
The Philips LatteGo is all about silky smooth froth, mixing milk and air at high speed. The Jura just mentions portion of milk foam as one of its specialties, so maybe not as focused on that specific feature.
Gotcha. Size-wise, the Philips is 15 by 10 by 17 inches and weighs 21.6 pounds. The Jura is significantly larger at 19.9x 17.2x 12.4 inches, but oddly, it's listed as only weighing 1 pound, which seems wrong. That has to be a typo.
Yeah, 1 pound is definitely off. It's probably closer to the Philips weight. Anyway, another difference is the aroma extract system on the Philips, which tries to optimize brewing temperature and water flow. The Jura uses something called pulse extraction process, P.E.P, geared towards short specialties for maximum flavor.
So both are trying to optimize flavor, just in different ways. I guess it boils down to how much you value variety, convenience, and that potentially better grind quality.
Exactly. If you just want a few basic drinks and easy cleaning, the Philips is a great value. But if you're a coffee connoisseur who wants lots of options and is willing to pay for it, the Jura E8 might be worth the splurge, assuming it really delivers on that aroma promise.
And that the weight isn't actually 1 pound, haha. Thanks.
Don't miss out on our next in-depth review to help you make smarter purchasing decisions. Hit that subscribe button and the notification bell so you're always in the know.